Hello guys, this is Aman Garg and I will be working on the LeetCode problems that are asked in nowadays SDAT and automation interviews. So I will be explaining the problem statement first, then we will discuss about the approach, like how to approach a coding problem, and then we will be writing a code to solve that problem. So give yourself 2 minutes and read the problem first, and then we will discuss about the approach. I hope you have read the problem, so let's discuss what this problem is saying. You are given two sorted integer arrays nums1 and nums2. The first array nums1 has a length of m plus n, where the first m elements are the actual elements to be merged, and the last n elements are the placeholder. That should be ignored. The second array nums2 has a length of n and contains n element that need to be merged into nums1. The goal is to merge nums2 into nums1 such that the resulting array in nums1 is sorted in non-decreasing order. So now let's discuss about the approach. To solve this problem, we can use a two-pointer technique. Starting from the end of both the arrays, this approach is efficient because it allows us to fill nums1 from the back, avoiding the need to shift elements around. Here is a step-by-step breakdown of the approach that I have given. So first we need to initialize the pointers, then we need to merge in reverse, and then if you will see the third pointer, so that is copy remaining elements. So if there are any remaining elements in nums2, copy them into nums1. This is necessary because if nums1 has already been filled with all its elements, any remaining elements in nums2 need to be copied over. No need to copy remaining elements from nums1. If there are any remaining elements in nums1, they are already in correct position. So now let's move to our IntelliJ and we'll start solving this problem. Here I will be creating a class and I will name that Java class as, for example, merge sort. We'll define our first function here. Then I need to add the pointers. Now after defining the pointers, what we will do, we will define the while loop to merge in reverse order. The while loop continues until either I or j goes out of bound, comparing elements from the end of both the arrays and placing the larger one in correct position in nums1. So I will be adding a if condition where we will be comparing the elements. If nums1 I is greater than nums2 j, then I will be putting it at nums k position in nums1, and I will decrement the value of I. Else I will be putting nums j and decrement the value of j. At last, decrement the value of k. We will be checking if there are any remaining elements in nums2. Copy them. Decrement the value of j, decrement the value of k. Now let's create our public static void method, and here I will be returning the array. So I need to define array here, and I'm going to define this method as static so that I can call it directly inside my public static void main without initializing. The output we will be expecting from this is 5 6 in a sorted manner. So let's run this code and we will see the output. Kudos! If you will compare the output, so it is same as what we are expecting. So we did our first merge sort array on LeetCode. This approach runs in om plus n time and uses o1 additional space, making it efficient for this problem.